Hey there, food lovers. Today I'm diving into the world of ultimate comfort food. Yes, I'm talking about Cajun seafood pasta. This dish is a symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds dance. Imagine this: creamy, spicy, and savory sauce coating perfectly cooked pasta and tender seafood. It's like a warm, flavorful hug in a bowl. The secret? It's all in the Cajun seasoning. This blend of spices brings a bold kick that's just irresistible. First, let's talk about the pasta. You can go with fettuccine, linguine, or even penne. It's all about what you love. Cook it al dente so it holds up to that rich sauce. Now, the seafood. Shrimp, crabs, scallops. Take your pick. Fresh is best, but frozen works in a pinch. Sauté them with some garlic until they're just right. The aroma alone will have you salivating. Next, the sauce. Oh, the sauce. Start with some butter and onions. Add in heavy cream and Parmesan cheese for that luscious, creamy base. Then comes the Cajun seasoning: paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, and a touch of cayenne for heat. Let it simmer until it's thick and dreamy. Combine it all and let the flavors meld together. The pasta absorbs that creamy goodness, while the seafood adds its own briny sweetness. What's great about Cajun seafood pasta is its versatility. You can make it as spicy or as mild as you like. Add extra veggies like bell peppers and tomatoes for more color and texture. It's a dish that adapts to your taste. And let's not forget about presentation. A sprinkle of fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice takes it to the next level. Serve it with a side of garlic bread and you've got a meal that's both indulgent and satisfying. So next time you're craving something comforting and delicious, give Cajun seafood pasta a try. It's a dish that's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking, food lovers!